Hi, my name is Bobby Ammar, dealer principal of Mercedes-Benz Heritage Valley. With 28 years automotive industry experience, all right here in Edmonton, we're proud to be Edmonton owned and Edmonton operated, serving the businesses and the people that move this city. At Heritage Valley, we offer a wide range of Mercedes-Benz vehicles. We also proudly offer the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, providing versatile solutions for both businesses and personal use. And now I'd like to introduce you to Mark Hurst, our Heritage Valley van specialist.
Hi, my name is Mark Hurst, and I've worked with Mercedes-Benz for over 10 years now. Here at Heritage Valley, we have the right passion and dedication and attention to detail that you can be confident in. Our expert service department has over 70 years of combined experience and are always sure to do the job right and get your van back in your hands as safely and as efficiently as possible. We even have a Sprinter that you can use free of charge as a courtesy when we run into any unexpected delays. Whether you're a small business, fleet customer, adventure van enthusiast, or looking for solutions in medical transport, touring companies, shuttle services, or anyone with mobility challenges, we know which local vendors will provide the right accessories and services to complement your upfitting needs. There is nothing more satisfying than having the client pick up exactly what they ordered and not have had to settle for options they didn't need to pay for or couldn't find in the market. Please come down and see us, and we can talk about the next steps in bringing you into the family here at Heritage Valley Mercedes.